Hello, welcome back to Rain World. Today we're hopefully gonna head all the way to 5 Pebbles, see what the deal is there. What the hell? What was that? Anyways, we are gonna head straight to this Echo, get our next level of karma, and then speed up the wall with our little tongue, which is absolutely amazing for mobility, I might add. There we go. Hello, Echo. From my perch, I've overlooked this land for an eternity. Watched as this vast expanse was blanketed into an endless tundra, since whole world's snowy. We remain trapped in place, and yet can never stop moving, funneled endlessly into an unknown future. To what destination do these memories reach? Damn! Damn! I think that Echo has basically confirmed the fact that we are in the furthest point in the timeline. Now it's time to head to the wall. Okay. What? 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 Where's... No. You're joking. It's... What? Where is it? You're having a laugh. Oh, I've got to go through the underhang. Oh, it's cooked. Oh, no! Okay, what the heck? Why is there a vulture here and a white lizard down in the corner? What can I do? Oh my goodness me. Okay, in a bit. What a snipe! Yummy. I love being vegetarian. What did I just do? Okay, there's a Sentiwing here. That's not good. Nom, nom, nom. You're joking. There's red lizards here. That's insane. Get out of here. Go. Run. I'm not staying here. I think if I... Can I just go to industrial? I'm getting out of here. Oh my god. What the hell? Well, that was a shocking turn of events. Icy Monument. Oh my god, what a name. Icy Monument's a cold name. Pun unintended there. Yeah, I'm so confused. The bridge to the wall is gone? Maybe it fell, maybe it rose, maybe 5 Pebbles has gone higher? I don't know. I've got no clue. I think, can we go to Shaded from Industrial? I'm not sure. But if we go to Industrial, well no, to Shaded, then we can go through memory crypts and into, like, the leg, I think. As much as I don't want to go through the leg, it's probably going to be quite a breeze. Huh! Yes! The grapple's broken. The grapple is broken. Sorry! I'm chasing him. He's terrified. Sorry. Oh. So there's shelter here, but is there one through the Karma Gate? Let's hope so. Yeah, there is. Right. Bruh! Bruh! Oh my god. They can't... Okay. Wait, no, Scav. No. Bro, what did I do? Oh my god. What? Okay. Now that we know that we can't get to shaded, what do we do? I'm just gonna aimlessly wander at this point because I am so confused. Because what I could do is I could stop in at shoreline, maybe see what Moon is doing, but I'd like to go to 5 Pebbles before Moon. I don't know why, it just feels right. Oh, you're joking, mate. He's following me. Okay. We're through. We're in Garbage Wastes now. Or whatever it's called. Are there no leeches here? Damn. Wait, what's it called? I didn't see what it was called. Damn it. This is so chill. Garbage Wastes. The water's clean. There's no leeches anywhere. Or anything. It's just calm. It's so empty. And there are sentiwings everywhere. Why is that the case? Like, in every single place I've been to, there's been sentiwings. That's a... What? What just happened? What just happened? I exploded. The world works in mysterious ways. Glacial Wasteland. That is a fitting name for what I've seen. Whoa, Mirror's Vulture, what? Why are you here? What the hell? Huh? Quick. Yes, come on. I don't know what killed me. It might have been eating. What is that? What are you? Huh? Whoa! It's like a cyan lizard, but it's white. And it has a tongue. No, 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 no. What are you? Huh? Oh my god! Go. He's too good. Let's go! That thing's terrifying. Wah! That's a spider. Wah, it jumps! Wah! Wah! Oh my god. It's a brown spider, but it's a wolf spider, whatever they're called, I think. I think they're wolf spiders, right? But it was brown. No, white. Well, there's a caramel lizard as well. Get me out of here. What is this? It's like Garbage Wastes, but there's less of a threat. But then there's also more of a threat. We've got caramel lizards, new kind of lizard, Mirror's vultures, and massive leeches. Oh my god, that was so close! Wait, there's an echo here. That's good. There's an echo here. Yes! Progression! We're doing so good. How many? I've been to like, it's like my fifth area. Frigid coast. Damn. This music! Okay, what? Okay, what? Sorry? Massive jellyfish? I've only seen that in like the rivulet. How do I avoid it? How do I... Do I just swim past? Okay. Huh? Just don't touch the tentacles! Damn. Okay. Oh, great. How lovely. Another one of these jellyfish. Okay, no, it knows I'm here, it knows I'm here, it knows I'm here. Get me over, 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 please. Get me over, please. Get me over, get me over, get me over, get me over, please. Don't drown me, please. No! Okay. Bro. What? Tentacles look like they're leaving. We can get across. We can do this. We can... No! What is this? This is not in normal rain world. This is a new area. This is a crazy atmosphere right now. What? Am I heading straight into underhang? Okay. What is this? Is this Moon's underhang? Yes, this is literally what 5 Pebbles is like. This is Moon. I'm in Looks to the Moon right now. Yeah, Moon is... This is like... Moon's been... Like... Moon's still low down, but... What the heck? Karma Gate. What? Karma Gate? I can't go through. You're joking, mate. I have to go all the way back. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Head down. Back at Frigid Coast. Oh, pseudo shoreline. Oh my good god. It's so snowy. There is a slight chance that Moon just isn't here. And if that's the case, we're just gonna head to Shaded. I'm gonna die of cold. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna freeze to death. Oh my god, it's still here. Get up! Go! Oh my god. Moon's got gravity. Moon has gravity now. If I can talk to echoes, I can talk to Moon, and I'm sleeping right here, right now. Sleep! He's so cold. Like, look, he's literally shuddering. That's so sad. Moon's got gravity now. That's a big thing. Moon. Moon. There you are. Moon. Moon. What do I feel? Ah. We've only just met, but our perceptions will soon part ways. Why? Go on. Our cycles will meet again. What? Has Moon directly told us to just leave? Huh. We're going to explore up here. See what's gone on since the rivulet. Moon literally said our cycles will meet again. I need to head to 5 Pebbles. Wait, there's an echo here. There's an echo here, hold on. I see echo. Karma Gate, Karma Gate, Karma Gate, hold on. I can see, yeah, look, you can see the gold leaves of an echo. What do I need to get through here? The thing. Yeah, I don't have it. Okay, I don't know. Is that just to go into the city? I guess so. That must be to get into Moon City. The one we see in Spearmaster. Crazy. What is happening? There it is. An echo. You stand upon our creation. I toiled away until my final breath, as did many of us, through countless generations. Research, shipments, architecture, computation, politics, worship, revolutions. All for a heap of rusted metal steeped in a puddle of frozen water. I placed my faith into the hands of random gods. Now I must endure it to the end. Okay! There's 4 more echoes left. Alright. That is where I'm going to end this episode of the Saint campaign. Oh my god. I am so confused. That's all I have to say. See ya.